Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders. So very beautiful and very famous Amman face, the Kalamkari Amman face design concept sarees in a contrast pallu, a choco brown, light choco brown color with very elegant prints using yellow and jari lines in the pallu. And the same color is given for the blouse piece also here, the pallu color blouse piece, choco brown color. The saree here is in very elegant, light pastel yellow, beautiful shade with the Kalamkari Amman face design printed as a block print. And here we have three colors used: orange, deep choco brown and green for the Amman face design. Very elegant one with the borders in the pallu color. Excellent design, traditional and trendy one with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed. A very different hand blocks here, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. You can see the claver and the spade heart in shape in the block prints in the pallu, and we also have zari lines. The color of the saree is also a pretty beautiful peach and orange mixed shade, and the same color is coming in the blouse piece as well as in the body here. And you can see the beautiful block prints, the king design in the cards. The complete concept of the saree is cards. Very elegantly it's been done. All the four symbols of the cards are used here as block print using black and red color. Very elegant and beautiful concept saree, an exclusive piece with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful pastel green shade color for the saree. The pallu is also in the same shade with very elegant vertical prints and zari lines. And here we have the same color blouse piece also. The green is a very different one, mild olive light green shade, an excellent shade too. And the deep green is used here for the temple design printing, and the complete saree have the rusty orange color prints. All over printing design, very elegant one with the zari border, and it comes with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful ink blue color pallu, beautiful ink blue dress with zari lines in the pallu, vertically done. And we have a body color yellow, the very beautiful attractive yellow color blouse piece with one side the blue borders. The complete saree is in yellow base with beautiful printing all over the fish pattern. This is a very famous design that is printed in the lower half of the saree. The top half is a plain yellow here. Very elegant and beautiful collection with the borders having the blue color. Excellent color and very attractive saree with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful maroonish pink and maroon mixed shade color pallu with zari lines and block prints that is done in a vertical way, and the same pink and red combination color for the blouse piece as well as in the body. The zari borders is coming in all over the saree, which is in beautiful golden zari. The saree having the same blouse color here in the top part, which is plain, and the bottom part here is in cream base color with the tribal design printed. You can see the tribal costumes very elegantly represented in the block print. The block prints are completely done using black here. Beautiful concept saree, very elegant with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful cream base color pallu with the elephant prints, a floral as well as elephant. The floral is done in pink and the elephants in the black with the zari lines, which is also in the black base. The borders of the saree is completely in black here with the blouse piece having the body color, plain blouse piece. Since the border is in base of black, the antique finish saree is given here, beautiful color with the saree completely having yellow base, beautiful yellow shade with the mustard color, zigzag lines horizontally printed all over the saree. Very mildly it is being done with the borders also in the black. You can see the lower half of the saree alone we have the elephant and the floral prints, which is done in the pallu. Excellent one, the green base, beautiful saree, very attractive and elegant one, a famous design which is regenerated with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a very beautiful grey saree, bluish grey it is, with the black base for the zari lines and black prints also done in black. And we have the same color blouse piece with one side the black border. The complete zari work is done in antique finish here for the black to be beautiful. Excellent work. And on the saree also the black is used for here printing. Very different design. We also have a temple design and a beautiful very ancient type design is also block printed. Different designing saree in a beautiful combination, very different and rare color with authentic silk mark. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful combination, the cream and the choco brown combo. Pallu is choco brown with zari lines and striped pattern done in the same color for the cream base. And we have the same color blouse piece also, the plain blouse piece with both sides zari border. And the saree here is in beautiful light cream shade, mild sandal mixed cream. It is really beautiful one. And we have two kind of printing in this saree, a beautiful collection. And the top half is completely polka dots in various sizes. And we have the lower half with the checked pattern. The checks are done in a very elegant curvy lines. Excellent saree, very elegantly printed. A unique collection with authentic silk mark. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid wash boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful girly color saree. Both the colors, the purple and pink, which is of girls' interest, is done in the saree along with the zari lines in the pallu. And we have same pink blouse piece with both sides the beautiful golden zari border. The saree here is having a very elegant combination. You can see the top is completely violet and purple mixed shade. Beautiful color, plain one, with the lower half having the pink. And this is a famous design block print here, the floral one, which is done in the inverted triangle shape. Elegant saree, most attractive one with authentic silk mark. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful pallu, red hot chili red color with very elegant pink base as well, with the bird's design. It's a closely printed small design printed in the pallu with the zari lines as well. And we have the contrast beautiful chili red color for the blouse piece with one side the temple design in the pink. The saree here is an excellent color, pink and red mixed shade. It is a pastel shade of pink, very different shade with the prints completely in the red shade here. Beautiful leaf design printed, and we have the half and half pattern in the bottom. The print alone is half and half here. The lower half is having completely the bird design printed all over. Very elegant one. Temple border is also present in the saree with the zari borders in both sides. Excellent concept with authentic silk mark. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful light green shade. This is a very different green, a very light and radiant green shade with light yellow mix in it. And we have the prints done in the deep green, and we also have brown for the base of the zari lines. And we have the same color blouse piece, the body color with the brown in the borders. The antique zari is used for the borders here. Completely the base of the borders is in brown, and the prints in the saree is also very elegant using the brown and the green shade. Totally different color saree. It is very elegant and beautiful shade. Excellent concept saree with beautiful prints, and it comes with authentic silk mark. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful copper sulphate blue and green mixed shade color, as well as the deep choco brown color for the pallu. It's a dual color pallu with zari lines vertically. And we have a blue, Ananda blue shade color for the blouse piece with beautiful one side border that is in deep choco brown color. The complete saree border is in choco brown with antique finish zari concept. And the saree here is a beautiful deep Ananda blue shade with the center part having the prints. It's a very different design printed. The leaf and the floral pattern. Very elegantly done using the opposite contrast choco brown shade. Excellent saree with a new design concept, and it comes with authentic silk mark. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed foil Tussar fabric. Here we have a very beautiful dual color pallu. It's a purple base for the zari lines and orange in the other side. A very beautiful pallu with same orange color blouse piece with one side pink borders. An excellent rusty orange color. The saree here is in beautiful cream base with the floral prints all over the saree using black, pink and orange. The flowers are in pink and orange. Very pretty. With the borders also having the orange base as well as the zari border on the pink base. Dual border design. Excellent saree. Beautiful design with authentic silk mark. Pure Tussar silk saree. Premium quality. Hand block printed with zari borders. Done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful pallu. The complete saree color, the pallu color is in a very different light green shade. Excellent different shade it is. A sea turquoise and sea blue mixed shade color. And we have the prints in the choco brown color. We also have zari lines in the pallu. The same colors, the blouse piece color also here. Plain blouse piece with both sides zari border. The complete saree is having the same color concept with the top completely a printed one. Choco brown color is closely printed here with both horizontal and lines pattern. It is a like very beautiful design, trendy one. And the lower half is completely printed with the floral and a different design, which is also done as using the choco brown and blue. Beautiful saree, very different block print here, which done exclusive pattern with authentic silk mark. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality. Hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed foil Tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful saree, a very different and rare pastel shade color for the saree, and the pallu is also in the same shade with the zari lines on the base of maroon. We also have the prints which is done in the zigzag pattern, the deep green shade. The same color, saree color is given for the blouse piece also, plain one with one side maroon borders. The complete saree having the plain maroon with golden zari borders, beautiful one. The pastel green and yellow shade it is. It's a mix of both color. Very pastel color, beautiful one. With the prints in maroon floral design. We also have greens. You can see beautiful printing all over. Which is done in an exclusive way with authentic silk look. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality. Hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed foiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful black and pink and maroon mixed shade color in the pallu, dual tone pallu with zari lines and block print design in the pallu. Half white color used for the block printing. The same maroon with mild pink shade color for the blouse piece, plain blouse piece. Contrast one for the body. The body here is in a beautiful peach shade, light peach color with very elegant cream prints on it. Floral one. Here and there it's been printed, and we have dual color border. The maroon and pink mixed shade color and black is given. And we have the antique finish zari for the black zari border. We also have the beautiful prints in the cream color. Excellent saree. Combination of the saree is very pretty. Rare combination. Beautiful printing with authentic silk mark. Pure Tussar silk saree. Premium quality. Hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a very attractive purple shade color saree. Violet and purple mixed color with the face design block prints done all over the pallu. We also have the black borders for the very elegant zari lines, and the same color blouse piece is given, plain blouse piece with one side black border. The complete saree is having black border with antique finish zari. Excellent saree here with beautiful prints all over. The face design is printed on the black base using the purple shade in the lower half, and the upper half is plain with the block prints, the floral block prints. Very elegant saree, beautiful color concept, different design to a trending beautiful design with authentic silk mark.